In 2025, Samsung's Galaxy Watch 8 lineup proudly stakes its claim in the smartwatch landscape, boasting 3 distinct models: the standard Galaxy Watch 8, the mechanically inspired Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, and the ruggedized Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. While they share a unified hardware foundation, each is fine-tuned to flourish in different environments, from daily lounging and boardroom elegance to outdoor exploits and extreme operations. In this video, we'll unravel everything from storage specs and display size to navigation interfaces and specialized software features, equipping you to determine which one aligns with your lifestyle and tech needs. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. All 3 use Samsung's proven Exynos W105nm chip, ensuring fluid performance across the board. Watch 8 base ships with 32 GB, ideal for notifications, casual apps, and essential offline content. Classic and Ultra 2 each offer 64 GB, twice the storage, empowering users with larger playlists, maps, podcasts, and workout data. This can be huge for travelers or fitness enthusiasts who prefer offline autonomy. Size spectrum, tailored fit for every wrist. Model size options use case. Watch 8 40mm/44mm sleek for everyday use. Watch 8 Classic 46mm traditional watch lovers. Watch Ultra 2 47mm adventurers, outdoor gear. The 40mm base is less obtrusive, while the 44mm improves readability. The 46mm Classic mimics mechanical timepieces with heft and gravitas. The 47mm Ultra 2 maximizes display area for easy glanceability amid rugged use. Base Watch 8, 300 mAh, 24H battery life, fresh day plus a night of sleep tracking, under moderate usage. Classic, 445 mAh, 1.5, 2 days. Trade-off increases runtime without drastically upsizing the case. Ultra 2, 590 mAh, 3 days under mixed-use conditions. GPS, continuous HR tracking, music playback. With power-saving features, you can stretch even longer. Power modes. Watch-only mode activates under 20% battery to prolong standby time. These modes suffice to maintain essential functions like time and occasional health checks even with low battery. Chip and user interface. Exynos W10 guarantees snappy app launches, smooth UI navigation, and robust animations. One UI Watch 6 on top of Wear OS 6 adds optimized background task management, wrist-down face pausing, and smarter widget updates, all coherently enhancing efficiency and battery life. Health monitoring and sensors, uniform across devices. Blood oxygen, ECG, optical HRM, BIA for body composition, sleep tracking with breathing stage recognition, skin temp trend analysis, stress detection via HRV, dual female health logging, and guided breathing exercises. Ultra 2 might offer rugged fitness extra tools, e.g., expedition mode, pro-level running coaching, diving depth tracking. Classic could feature analog-styled health complications for fans of traditional watch aesthetics. Base Watch 8 delivers core health data in a straightforward one-tap format. P-Classic stands apart with its tactile rotating bezel, providing precision scrolling, discrete menu